In this video, we are going to see an N8N workflow that enrich leads and uses an AI agent to qualify the leads. Click on Execute Workflow to start the workflow. Click Qualify Lead, AI Agent to open the agent interface. Click to view the AI agent output showing qualification status and reasoning for the lead. As you can see, this lead was set as unqualified by the AI agent. Click here to proceed with the AI agent output details. This node filter led on their qualification status. If the lid is qualified, it send the lid to the qualified Google Sheet list, else the lid is sent to the unqualified list. Click here to access conversion settings for the workflow. Click here to continue with the workflow interaction. As you see, the leads has been added to the unqualified leads list. As it was not qualified if it was qualified, it would have been added to another sheet for qualified leads. Click here to continue interacting with the workflow application. Click here to continue workflow steps. Click here to proceed with the workflow. Click here to open the leads to enrich sheet in Google Sheets. Click the link in the video description to access LinkFinder AI's website. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account on LinkFinder AI. Click API Access to view your API key and related settings. Click here to copy your API key for use in the workflow. Click here to proceed with workflow configuration. Click Authorization to configure API key authorization. Click the API key entry to edit or update it. Fill the authorization field with your API key copied from LinkFinder AI. Click Lead Full Name to LinkedIn URL to configure LinkedIn URL enrichment. Click the lead's full name and company name to view detailed information. Click here to proceed with workflow steps. Click here to proceed further in the workflow. Click Authorization to configure API key authorization again. Click the API key entry to edit or update it. Fill the authorization field with your API key for this node. Click Company Name to Website to find the company's website. Click the Company Name field from Google Sheets trigger to configure company data. Click here to proceed with workflow configuration. Click Authorization to configure API key authorization again. Click the API key entry to edit or update it. Fill the authorization field with your API key for this node. Click LinkedIn Profile to LinkedIn Info to configure LinkedIn profile enrichment. Click Input Data to access lead input information. Click the LinkedIn URL field to use in profile enrichment. Click here to proceed with workflow configuration. Click one item to view details of the processed lead. Click here to proceed with workflow steps. Click Qualify Lead, AI Agent to open the agent interface again. Click here to proceed with workflow steps. Click to view the AI agent prompt explaining the ideal customer profile and qualification criteria. You need to replace here the ICP with your own ICP. Click here to continue workflow configuration. Click to view instructions for the AI agent to strictly qualify leads based on the ICP. Click here to proceed with workflow steps. Click here to continue workflow configuration. Click here to proceed further in the workflow. Click to view the API response showing company size range for the lead. Click Authorization to configure API key authorization again. Click the API key entry to edit or update it. Fill the authorization field with your API key for this node. Click Company Name to Employee Count to find company headcount. Click the Company Domain field to configure domain lookup. Click here to proceed with workflow steps. Click here to continue workflow configuration. Click the Qualified Status field to select the lead's qualification status. Click here to continue workflow steps. Click Log Unqualified Lead Append sheet to confirm logging of unqualified leads. Click here to proceed with workflow configuration. Click here to open the unqualified leads sheet in Google Sheets. Click the GitHub link in the video description to access the workflow repository. Switch to github.com to explore the workflow repository files. Click here to proceed with GitHub repository navigation. Click Download to save the workflow JSON file for import. Click here to proceed with workflow configuration. Click Import from File to upload the downloaded workflow JSON into your system.